1947 to 1953, Lester Horton's Dance School. More than anything, Alvin wanted to study dance. But when Alvin arrived in Los Angeles, not everyone could take dance lessons. In 1949, not many dance schools accepted Black students, and almost none taught the fluid moves that Alvin liked so much. Almost none but the Lester Horton Dance School Theater, a modern dance school that welcomes students of all races. Lester's door was open to anyone serious about learning to dance. And at age 18, Alvin Ailey was serious, especially when he saw how Lester's dancers moved. One student, Cameron de Valed, danced with butterfly's grace. Another, James Truitt, made modern dance look easy. But Lester worked with his students hard. Sometimes they danced all day. After hours in the studio, droplets of sweat dotted Alvin's forehead. He tinkled inside, ready to try Lester's steps once more. At first, Alvin kept time to Lester's beat and followed Lester's moves. Then, Alvin's own rhythm took over, and he started creating his own steps. Alvin's tempo worked from his belly to his elbows, then oozed through his thighs and feet. "What is Alvin doing?" one student asked. "Whatever he's doing, he's sure doing it fine," two dancers agreed. Some tried to follow Alvin's moves, but even Alvin didn't know which way his body would reel him next. Alvin's steps flowed from one to another. His loops and spins just came to him, the way daydreams do. Alvin danced at Lester Horton's school almost every day. He taught the other students his special moves. In 1950, Alvin joined Lester Horton's dance company. Soon, Alvin performed his own choreography for small audiences who gathered at Lester's studio. Alvin's dances told stories. He flung his arms and shim-shammed his middle to express jubilation. His dips and slides could even show anger and pain. Modern dance let Alvin's imagination whirl. All the while, Lester watched Alvin grow into a strong dancer and choreographer. Lester told Alvin to study and learn as much as he could about dance. He encouraged Alvin to use his memories and his African American heritage to make dances that were unforgettable. Now in Google Slides, please write down 4 details from that section or time period in Alvin Ailey's life.